Hello husbands, welcome to Virtual Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the amazing facts about the state of Haryana. In this video, we are extensive coverage of physical characteristics, natural vegetation, regional festivals, art forms, industry, major rivers, minerals, art, agriculture, the geographical indicator, historical sites, heritage sites, national park, biosphere reserves, wildlife sanctuaries. About the Haryana state. Haryana, the state of Haryana, which is located in the northern India. The Haryana is a capital Chandigarh. The capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. It is formed in the year of 1966 or November 1, which is curved from the Punjab. The important cities are Faridabad, Hisar, Gurgaon, Panipat, Karnal, Rohtal, Kurukshetra. These are the important cities from Haryana. There is a major important points is it's formed in the year of 1966. The Punjab Suba movement, that is a separate state for the Punjabi speaking people, that is as well the East Punjab. This movement is started in the year of 1950, which is the result of the formation of the Punjabi majority Punjab state, the Hindi majority Haryana state, and the Union Territory of Chandigarh. Haryana consists of 22 districts. The language majorly speaks Hindi. Other spoken is Haryani, that is Punjabi, English. The population is around 28 million and also is the area 44,212 square kilometer. It is mainly known as for the milk pail of India, that is Kurukshetra war place cited in the Mahabharata, is in the state of Haryana. Haryana mainly is located in the borders with Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh, which is enclosed by Delhi on the sides part of the national capital region. Mainly the natural vegetation of Haryana is a tropical thorn forest. The physical characteristics of Haryana mainly, actually there are four divisions. First of all, the Yamuna, Gagar Plain, the Shivalik Hills, semi-desert sandy plain, the Aravalli range, the oldest mountain range which is located in the Haryana, the Aravalli range. Major rivers that is flowing into the Haryana, that is a Yamuna that flowing from Kalinda Barbat in Uttarakhand to the Kangam Dovi, and Triveni Sangam, the Ganga, Yamuna and invisible Saraswati river at Allahabad, the Gagar Hakra flowing from Shivalik Hills in Himachal Pradesh to O2 in Haryana. Major regional festival is Baishaki and Naumi and Gangor, Lori. These are the major festival which is celebrated in the Haryana. The major art forms, first of all, the Pulkuri is a major art form, Korea, Sanji, Kalamhari paintings is also very much known for the Haryana. The major industry which is found in the Haryana was handloom industries, electrical appliances, IT sectors, automobile industries, pharma sectors. These are the major industries which is in the Haryana. The minerals mainly iron. Iron ore is the main mineral, rich iron ore present in the Haryana. Agriculture, there is a groundnut, rice, sugarcane, pulses, oils. These are the major agricultural products from the Haryana. The geographical indicators. First of all, the Pulkari, important geographical indicator, and the important key points about Haryana. The state bat is a black francolin. The state animal is black buck. The state tree is peepal tree. The state flower is lotus. Important bat sanctuary which is present in the Haryana, that is Bindavas, Copperwas. The major national park is Kalisa, Sultanpur. The major wildlife sanctuary which is present in the Haryana, that is Abub Shehar, Bindavas, Bir Shikargarh, Chilchila, Kalisa, Copperwas, Moni Hills, Nahar. These are the major wildlife sanctuary which are present in the Haryana, the top institution like Ashoka University, OP Jindal Global University, and NIT Kurukshetra, which are present in the Haryana, and also there is a many important producers, that is many national level athletes like wrestling, boxing, kabaddi. They are come from Haryana. The main tourist attractive place is a Kurukshetra, that is a historic site of Mahabharata war, Sultanpur Bat Sanctuary, and Suraj Kund, that is mainly known for the annual international crafts fair, and Binjore Gardens, Moni Hills, Brahma Sarovar. These are the major important the tourist attractive places in the Haryana. Thank you so much.